This is episode 13 of my RBS3, and I'm going to move the ball over quite high up and do some nice things and get over to this side of the sculpture. Try to balance it up a bit so there's a whole bunch of copper over there. I'm going to start to get some copper going on over here. So I'll see you again at the end. Enjoy the video and let's get soldering. There we go, I've got 4 track spaces on. Really nice circle, I'm very pleased with that. Again, there's no straights, so it's going to curve on the way in, curve on the way out, whichever way that goes. And I've again put one of those cambers on, which means that the outside track is higher than the inside track. So as the ball goes round, if it's going quite fast, hopefully it will stay on. So I'll clean this up now, and then I've got to make some more track spaces because this is my pot that I keep the track spaces in, and I need to make some more of those. So let's have a little clean up and then it'll be track spacer time. For some reason, it's all gone a bit wrong. If I solder that on there, this gap here is going to be huge. So what I think I'll do is I'll solder it here, and then I'll cut this one and make this one shorter. That looks like a nice curve to me. Yeah, I'll do that. Here you can see the track that I've just fitted, nice angle, nice slope, nice bit of camber. And you will have spotted by now that I decided a short while ago to send the track in the gap between the upright side and the downright side of the lifting chain. So that's where it's ended up going. I didn't really plan this, I didn't really decide it, but it just felt like a good idea at the time, and I'm going to stick with it. So this track is going to come through here, probably round this one, definitely round this one, possibly over here. So I've done what I wanted. I brought the balls over from that side to this side. Still got a nice amount of height. So this one's got a long way to go before it gets down to the bottom. But I'm very pleased with how it's turning out. Really like the interest that this is now added by actually going through the vertical chain. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I'll see you again next week. Please hit that subscribe button and you'll get a notification. Until then, take care. Goodbye.